Hi, I'm Plant Doctor Michael. Today I want to talk to you about planting fall shrubs. When the lustering colors of summer have faded, it's time to start looking forward to beautiful fall colors. All the reds, the golds, the oranges. Let's talk about some great plants we can plant in the fall. I'm going to start with the burning bush. Nothing has the spectacular color of the burning bush. It's not called burning bush for no reason. These are to be planted in full sun. They like regular watering and enjoy the show. They do best in mass plantings. Now I want to tell you about the red leaf barberry. This is a shrub that should be planted in full sun. It's water-wise, it's deer-resistant, beautiful color now, and amber red colors in the fall. It does best in full sun, regular watering. It's a great color accent for your yard. Let's talk about the fragrant low-growth sumac. It becomes a 3-foot tall, 3-foot wide shrub. It's great in the full sun and it produces fantastic fall color. It's an essential part of every good-looking yard. Okay, let's talk about the emerald Gatey euonymus. It's a great ground cover for full sun. Gets up to 2 feet tall, up to 9 feet wide. In the wintertime, the leaves have a bright pink hue to them. It's a great choice for the sun. It's evergreen and it's water-wise once established. Now I'm going to tell you about the Oregon grape. This is a very water-wise shrub for the shade. It does extremely well. It makes beautiful yellow flowers in the spring and purple berries through the summertime that birds just love. Let's talk about the dark green spreading yew. This is an evergreen shrub for the shade. 4 feet tall, up to 6 feet wide. Very water-wise when established. Beautiful red berries, but bear in mind they're poisonous, so keep them away from the kiddos. Just because summer is over doesn't mean you can't enjoy fall color. Fall is the best time for planting. Come on down to any of your Moana Nursery stores, enjoy some great plants for your yard, and get those roots in the ground.